So some of the innovations that we're seeing kind of across the price points in regards to AI are human and vehicle detection, which is a really great feature to have. If something happens, there's an accident in your parking lot, that you can go to your recorder, type in blue Chevy, and find cars coming in that match that description, instead of having to go through hours and hours of footage trying to pinpoint that, or to be able to say like, hey, there's this person here, let's see every time this person came in to see if there's an issue with that. Having those features really make things a lot easier for the customer to actually use the footage. In the security industry, we're using a lot of AI in order to just make things more customer friendly, more client side facing. Maybe a couple of years ago, if you wanted cameras with these kind of like advanced analytic features or AI implementation, you would have to spend thousands of dollars to get that set up. What's really great for the consumer right now is we're starting to see those features trickle down into cameras that are much more affordable, that normal everyday people can pick up and use. So it's really exciting to see that happen and to seeing how that's kind of evolving to get these features that usually most people couldn't afford to get, now can be out there to the masses. It's definitely something that we need to take into account when we're planning things out, is the amount of cameras, the amount of bandwidth required, what we're going to have to do to get everything set up the right way. We really don't want to have a situation where somebody's watching Netflix and then it means their cameras aren't working because there wasn't enough bandwidth there, or the other way around, that you can't enjoy your home or your business and do what you need to do because your cameras are taking up all your data, all your space. It's definitely something we can plan out. We can create sub-networks and stuff to keep all that traffic separate. But especially as cameras become higher resolution and more features are added, definitely something we do want to take into account, we want to plan for. We're seeing now a lot more people kind of looking for very specific features. They want to make sure that they're accounting for their exact specific situation. Because of all this new increase in AI and features built into cameras and processing power, they're actually able to do that, whereas in the past you would kind of take something just out of the box and it does what it does and that's what it does, and we're not going to adjust that. I think traditionally a lot of businesses have viewed their security systems as a drain, that this is just something you have to pay for and there's really not any value in it until something happens. So we've been seeing a lot of developments and to kind of change that idea of here's how you can use this, that it's going to add value to your business.